Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about my CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So this cream is something I use on my body and on my hands almost every day, especially during winter time, because during the winter my skin will get very dry and cracked, and the only thing that has seemed to work is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. And I think this is because of the ingredients that are inside this cream itself. So they give a bunch of ingredients in the back of this bottle. And while I don't know what all these mean, I do know that there is a big difference between how my hands feel after I use this product and how my hands feel after I use a product like Lubriderm. I would say that this cream is a lot thicker than Lubriderm, and what I usually do is I take out a small amount of cream and I will let it sit on the tops of my hands, like you see the top of my hand, and I will put a cream on my hand and I will let it sit there and sink into my skin. The Lubriderm is very thin, so I find even when I put it on my skin, it will soak right through and nothing much gets accomplished. My hands still feel very dry and rough. It may have helped a teensy bit, but it doesn't really remedy the problem. So I actually came across this product when I was speaking with my dermatologist, and my dermatologist recommended this product and told me to go search online. And this is also the same product that my mother uses as well, and we have both used Lubriderm in the past. So this product is something that has worked very well for us. I would say that, you could, if you have a very big purse, you can put it inside your purse. You can keep it in your car with you. You can keep it on your desk at work, so you always have it readily available to you. It's something that I would recommend gifting to a friend. Now, I'm going for people who have never used this product before and don't really know about the company who created the product or anything like that. They say that you can apply as often as you like, and it really does hold up to the description put on the back of this label. I'm not particularly familiar with the technology they're talking about, this multivesicular emulsion technology, but that might be something helpful to look up online. But generally speaking, the product was recommended to me and it did live up to its name. And since I haven't did a demonstration of this product in action, I might as well do so. So what I'm going to do is just pop off the top of it, and it's really you screw off the top of the cap. So let me just do this as so. So I got this right here, and I am going to pop off the top of this. So I'm going to screw it off. And then right here you see my CeraVe cream. So I'm going to take a very small amount, and I'm gonna get it right here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put, it's very hard to see that because I'm also doing a video at the same time. But you get the general gist of what I just did. I basically just took the cream and I rubbed it all over my hand, as you can see here. So this is generally how I use the cream, and I'll usually just let it sit on my hand and let it soak in. And I will typically do this after a shower. It's my favorite time to do this, or before bed. And with that, I will just put the cap back on, like so. Just make sure to line everything up. And then that is your CeraVe cream. And I'll just put that down there. And that is it for my demonstration, and I hope you enjoyed the video.